Ito yung ataw. Ha? Hindi na, hindi na eh. Ha? Alam mo pa kaya? Ito. Ikaw ka? Berada pa nag-sale. We are here at Long Beach. Kamu order na tayo? Burayta? Nyo kayo order ang beer?
No.
Nagkibiar kayo nyo ito? Nyo kalada? Right. Lalak ko marta yung tripod. Sige na, kaltala. Kaltala. Dapat kaya dami sa tayo celebrity di ba? Kali kompo. Pwede nakakataw. Pajay, pagkajay. Pwede ka ba yung panjay? Ha?
Pasok ko dati ulit.
Oh, motivate. Hindi naman. Jai, punya ada tiga mas. Kita pakai balai di rumah. Ini kamu punya kolada, awan sama apa nak order Jai?
Punya kolada sama hamburger magkuha ka.
Oh sige. Customer lang.
Bakit punta ka doon?
Live doon sa YouTube.
Yes. Okay. Ay, isa lang ang hamburger.
It is your turn to make sure you make the best of it, all right? It's the time for today, and happy to be here. I need you back to the dance floor, come on. One time, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Party people! It is now time! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Are you guys ready to sit away? No, I don't hear that. One more time! Are you guys ready to sit away? Come on! That's what I'm talking about! Let's get one jump! Let's take one jump! Let's get jump! You guys know what to do! Are you ready? 1, 2, everybody jump! Come on! Someone walk in the radio, okay? Shout out to everyone that's here right now! Come on, come on, come on, let's do this! Alrighty, come radiant, who's ready for vacation? I can see every single one of you looking like you're ready for a good time. However, there is not enough people on this dance floor. And why are you all so scared? Come on closer, come on closer. Let's fill up this dance floor. If you're ready for vacation, I simply need your help. Counting down from count 6, 5. Vacation! Now, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kieran. I'm going to be your cruise director for the next 4 fun-filled days. Can I get a big old hey, Kieran? Now, if you're trying to work out the accent, I'm from a little country called England, and I'm going to be with you the entire time. However, for the next 4 fun-filled days, none of you have to cook! None of you have to clean! And you only have to have a good time! Now this is how we're going to have a good time to start. We're going to start with the easiest dance of all. And all you've got to do is follow me and the entertainment team with a little bit of the cha-cha slide. Everybody, I can see you clapping your hands to the beat. Here we go, you ready? Clap your hands. This ain't TV, I can see each and every one of them. Clap your hands, come on. If you got hands, you better clap them. Come on. I'm gonna do this together. Ready? To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One half this time. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Cha-cha, real smooth. Let me see you cha-cha. Then we're gonna turn this way. Turn and face this way. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One half this time. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Cha-cha there, y'all. see you, champion. Ain't nobody judging you. Come on. No one's looking.
Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time.
Mile,
One hop this time.
mile.
Right foot, 2 stumps.
1, 2.
Left foot, 2 stumps. Slide to the left.
Your other left.
Crisscross. Crisscross. Chop, chop, real smooth. Let's go to work.
I'm already a
To
work.
the left.
Come on.
Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time.
1,
2
2.
hops this time.
1, 2.
Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees.
Hands on somebody else's knees. Woo! We ain't judging. Come on.
Come on. Chop, chop now, y'all.
Let me see your cha-cha.
Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 5 hops this time. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Right foot again.
Left foot again.
Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Freeze.
Everybody clap your hands. I said everybody. I can see you. Now this next part, let's commit to it. Come on. Go low, go low. You better have knees like Megan if you got it this slow. Come on. Bring it back up. Come on. Can you bring it to the top?
One hop. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all. Chop, chop, real smooth.
Come on. I can see it. Shout out the truth. Turn it out. To the left.
Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Reverse.
Are we facing this way?
Reverse.
Oh, and again.
Slide to the left.
Your other left.
To the right.
There you go.
Reverse.
Oh,
Reverse.
and again. Again, this.
Reverse. Chop, chop now,
Let
y'all.
me see your cha-cha. We turn it out one more time. Come on.
Chop, chop now, y'all. Chop, chop again.
Turn it out. To the left.
Take it back now, y'all. 2 ups, 2 ups.
1, 2.
2 ups, 2 ups. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Charlie Brown.
Nobody knows what this is.
Slide to the right.
You're right. No, your other right. Not left. Oh, you confused.
Close mo lang.
Keep it going.
Turn it out.
Last time. To the left.
Take it back now, y'all. 3 ups this time.
1, 2, 3. Right foot now. Left
Plus.
foot now, y'all.
Chop, chop now.
Yan na.
Turn it out.
Give it up for yourselves right there. What is guys showing in on this vacation? No one is here to judge you on these next 4 days. If you want to dance, you dance. If you want to sing, you sing. It's all about having a good time. Now this is incredible, but we need everybody joining in for this next one. This one is a little bit of the Keep It Shuffle. Cross those hands, everybody. Come on, let's see you.
Sayang sa camera.
Come on. I want to see you clapping. I want to simply move it to the right. Come on, Carmen Radiant. Kick, 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 kick. Turn it around. Kick to the right.
Sa girl ni Carl.